Alright, let us talk about something that sounds super science-y, but is honestly just science being dramatic against pH balance. Yeah, I know. It sounds like something you see on the side of a fancy shampoo bottle next to infuse with unicorn tears or whatever. But trust me, it's not just for your overpriced face wash or that one friend who only drinks alkaline water and thinks they read better than you. No offense, Chad. Welcome to Think Bits, where we explain stuff you didn't know you cared about until now. Let's go. So, what is pH balance? In simple terms, pH is just a scale. It's like a mood ring for liquids. It tells you how acidic or basic something is. The scale goes from 0 to 14. 7 is neutral, like Switzerland. 0 is acid chaos, like battery acid. Don't drink that. 14 is full-on base mode, like drain cleaner. Also don't drink that unless you're trying to see your ancestors early. Now water, good old H2O, she's the middle child of the pH family. Sits at a nice, calm 7. Not too acidic, not too basic, just chill. Balanced, hydrated, probably does yoga on weekends. But why does pH even matter? Well, your body's got a lot going on. Your blood, for example, likes to keep things tight at a pH of around 7.35 to 7.45. That's right. Your blood has a more specific dress code than a fancy nightclub. Go to acidic or too basic, and suddenly, your internal systems start flipping tables. It's like your body's own version of a meltdown, just with less screaming and more organ failure. And no, despite what that weird wellness blogger told you, you can just drink alkaline water and change your blood pH like it's a light switch. Your body has this little thing called homeostasis. It's a fancy word for I got this. Your lungs, kidneys, and other overachiever organs work 24/7 to keep your pH where it needs to be. They're like the bouncers of your bloodstream. They don't care how trendy that detox smoothie is. They not letting nonsense mess with the vibe. Now let's talk real quick about the pH of stuff you might actually use or eat. Lemon juice, around 2 on the scale. Super acidic, great for flavor, terrible for eyeballs. Soap, usually around 9 or 10. Kinda basic, but in a good way. Like your favorite sitcom character who wears the same hoodie every episode. Your stomach. Oh, she's living wild. Her pH is around 1.5 to 3.5. That's acid strong enough to melt metal, if you gave it enough time and really poor life choices. But here's the funny part. Your stomach is supposed to be that acidic. It's her thing. That acid helps break down food and destroy bad stuff you accidentally eat. Like that sketchy gas station burrito you swore would be fine. Spoiler, it wasn't, but shout out to stomach acid for stepping up. You'll also hear the phrase pH balanced in like every commercial ever. This soap is pH balanced for your skin. Sounds fancy, right? All it really means is that the product won't totally mess with your skin's natural vibe. Your skin, by the way, is slightly acidic around 5.5 on the scale. That acidity helps protect you from bacteria and other party crashers. So if you use something way too basic or way too acidic, it's like throwing off your skin's groove. And nobody wants funky, irritated skin, except maybe that one lizard guy in sci-fi movies. So, to recap, pH is a scale that tells you how acidic or basic something is. Your body likes to keep it balanced, because chaos is not the vibe. Your organs are handling it, so don't go chugging baking soda thinking you're cleansing your soul. You're not. You're just making your kidneys work overtime, and they didn't sign up for that. And if you ever find yourself wondering if you need that expensive pH balanced whatever, maybe not. Just know that your body already has an elite team handling the pH Olympics inside you. Respect the hustle. Anyway, that's it. It's pH balance. Not too deep, not too shallow. Just enough to impress someone at a party if the conversation gets weirdly specific, or to win an argument with your alkaline-obsessed cousin. This has been Think Bits. If you learned something, cool. If you didn't, that's probably my pH being a little off today. See you in the next one. Stay balanced, but not in a weird yoga guru way. Peace.